I declare the restoration of the harvest, restoration of the years, restoration of favor, restoration of glory, restoration of opportunities. Receive it right now. Can you lift up your phone as a point of contact to the emails that will come for restoration, to the messages of restoration, to the alerts of restoration, to the alarms of restoration? I decree tonight that the systems are put under pressure. Every individual, every personality, every system, every entity holding what is yours, they lose their peace, they lose their sleep, they lose their rest until what belongs to you is released.